They normally say Democrats instead of Democratic Party. But Republican Party as a name is used in other side. The ancestors of Democratic Party made a confusion. An unclear term is used, bewildering people. I so far use the very word Democrats as a singular number noun. Democrats as a singular number is wrong. Now I understand. So I use Democratic Party instead of Democrats. It is a plural number which I have mistaken. Now it is clear for me. Whatsoever the Democratic Party or Democrats, with the oldest president have a long list of failures. To mention out of the failures, first I cite the issue of inflation, with a broken record ever in America. But the president has held responsible to corporate items, particularly on oil sectors. Southern border issue of America is getting less importance in Biden administration. Trump as a president took the matter to settle once for all with walls and Mexico to bear some expenditure. Further, Trump supported limits on legal immigration and visas for guest workers. Till the middle term election, no specific policy and the issue is declared by Biden. It is his serious failure to take the problem to tackle. But Trump was very much serious and advocated to build a substantial wall. We hope this issue will again be taken by Trump as 47th President of America. We hope when Trump comes again as president, many issues, including the southern border issues, will be solved and America will be free from some menace created by the illegal immigrants. That is possible only on the part of Trump. There are some clear-cut differences between Democratic Party and Republican Party. While Trump was the president, he advocated for maximum liberty for gun owners and users on the logic that the fundamental rights of the people should be kept intact for their self-defense. Assault weapon ban and background checks, as desired by Democrats, were blocked by Republican Senate. Biden favors strict restriction on gun purchases. Biden introduced legislation to regulate gun and background checks. But Trump also advocated red flag laws, which means to take away guns from persons who are influenced by larger violence. The people of America are in favor of Trump's way of doing on gun control. Much debated abortion issue has been settled by the apex court of America, and the line of the ideology of Republicans. Republican opines that killing of innocents, either inside or outside a murder's home, cannot be supported in any circumstances. An unborn baby, either in earlier form as fetus or embryo, has the fundamental right to live like lives outside mother's womb. As such, the Supreme Court opined that no constitutional right permits abortion thus overcome Roe v. Wade case. Legislation can enact laws in this respect. Biden administration has made imminent blunder in respect of Russia-Ukraine conflict. He is adding fuel to the fire. No sanctions have any impact on Russia, who is having the weapon of natural oil gas. Further, endless assistance to Ukraine, mainly in form of weapons, to fight against Russia. The manner with which Biden remarked on Russia and Putin led to world war in any time. The Americans are suffering a lot due to inflation and other menaces. Trump has said if he would have been in White House, the conflict could have been averted. Surely Trump could have done this. But bad luck for Americans. Americans cannot allow Democrats to destroy the situation and world war. Time is nearing to see Trump in the chair of president in due course of time. Let us hope for the best. Apart from the commitment of Republican Party to the nation, such as strong economy for the nation, safety measure for the nation, such as security of the border and necessary measure to prevent illegal infiltration, reduce crime for public safety, etc. Freedom in the basis on whose nations to be built, government can be made accountable in need. There are other issues for which Republican Party is committed to address for the interest of Americans. The odd days are about to over if Americans act with conscience in elections to boost up the strength of Republicans to lead the country with people's welfare-oriented schemes. Hope Americans will not do the same mistake as did in 2020. M. Prem Narayan, after much investigation and studying ground reality, find that Republicans are more committed to the nation with their aims and obligations, with objectives for the uplift of Americans and America as a whole. With these words, lastly, I extend my all good wishes to the candidates in the fray, along with others who were directly or indirectly involved in the event. Thanks to all.